Mom, I promise to follow you and not say bad words and do the things you tell me to do.
It's okay, ma'am? It's okay or no?
How about doing your bad attitude to Raj?
I will change it.
Change it into what?
The bad attitude.
What you will do?
Take love ones.
And all the people also. Say bad word to anybody. Mom, dad, and anybody. And be good to all.
I am very good to everybody.
Will still say the kill?
No.
Don't
Wish to die? You will say that one?
No.
Useless? You will say that?
No.
Pangit si Alden? You will say that?
No.
Kill mom, kill Raj, kill dad? You will say that?
No.
You promise today, ah? Tomorrow, I don't want to hear that one in so many days.
So no more
Days.
joking
No
with
more,
dad.
No more.
I will not joke with you anymore also.
See? You see that one?
So it's okay. You'll do your assignment.
I have no assignment.
You will study by your own without
Yeah.
mommy telling.
Yeah.
You should study. You will read books.
Yeah.
You will use you will always you will always be on phone and computer.
No.
Stop. We will give you time only. After that, finish. No more.
For the day.
Everything.
For the day.
Only like few minutes.
Like 2 minutes. Like 30
Okay.
minutes.
And if mom wants you, it's not me, it's on mom. If mom wants you, then it's okay. If not, it's on mom. She will tell you how many minutes. It's on her. But you do what mom said. Remember, okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay. So sleep na.